Hi, today we're gonna take a look at the mixed numbers and the improper fractions. Are you ready? First, we need to remember that in a fraction, like this one, the top number is a numerator and the bottom number is a denominator. Once again, the top number is a numerator and the bottom number is a denominator. Nice! In a previous lesson, we studied the proper fraction. It's a fraction where the numerator, the top number, is less than the denominator, the bottom number. For example, 1/2 is a proper fraction, given that the numerator 1 is less than the denominator 2. Looks great! We also studied the improper fraction. It's a fraction where the numerator, the top number, is greater than or equal to the denominator, the bottom number. For example, 2/2 is an improper fraction, because the numerator 2 is equal to the denominator 2. Here we have another example. 3/2 is an improper fraction, given that the numerator 3 is greater than the denominator 2. Do you have any questions? No questions? Let's continue with the mixed numbers and pay attention to the definition. A mixed number is a number containing a whole number and a proper fraction. One more time, a mixed number is a number containing a whole number and a proper fraction. Here we have the first example. This mixed number is read as 3 and 1/2. A mixed number is a number containing a whole number and a proper fraction. Here we have 3 wholes and the proper fraction 1/2. Don't forget that a proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator, the top number, is less than the denominator, the bottom number. 1/2 is a proper fraction because the numerator 1 is less than the denominator 2. Perfect! Here we have another example. This mixed number is read as 6 and 5/8. A mixed number is a number containing a whole number and a proper fraction. Here we have 6 wholes and the proper fraction 5/8. Don't forget that 5/8 is a proper fraction because the numerator 5 is less than the denominator 8. Another example, this mixed number is read as 4 and 2/3. A mixed number is a number containing a whole number and a proper fraction. In this example, we have 4 wholes and the proper fraction 2/3. 2/3 is a proper fraction because the numerator 2 is less than the denominator 3. Let's continue with the same example, but this time we're going to represent our mixed number using a model. What do we need? We just need a geometric figure. And this time we're going to use a rectangle. This rectangle represents one whole. Here we have 4 holes, so we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, and 4 rectangles. And then we're going to shade them completely. Perfect! Finally, we're going to represent the proper fraction 2/3, so we're going to draw an identical rectangle. Since the denominator is 3, we're going to divide our rectangle into 3 equal parts. Now we're going to take one part, only one part. As you can see, we have divided this rectangle into 3 equal parts, and we took one of those parts. Therefore, this part represents 1/3 of the rectangle, 1/3 of a whole. The next part also represents 1/3 of the rectangle or 1/3 of a whole. And here we also have 1/3. We need to represent 2/3, so we're going to shade 1/3 and 2/3. That's it, we're done! Here we have the model that represents a mixed number 4 and 2/3. We're going to do something else. We're going to rewrite our mixed number as an improper fraction. We need a denominator. Since the denominator is 3, we're going to divide the first 4 rectangles into 3 equal parts each. Now let's focus on the first rectangle. As you can see, we have divided this rectangle into 3 equal parts. And you already know that each part represents 1/3 of a whole. So here we have 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Same story with the second rectangle, with the third rectangle, and with the fourth rectangle. In the last rectangle, we represented 2/3. That's why we shaded 1/3 and 2/3. Now pay attention to the following question. How many thirds did we take? Well, we took 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3, 10/3, 11/3, 12/3, 13/3, and 14/3. That's right, 14/3 is the answer. In that way, our mixed number 4 and 2/3 is equal to the improper fraction 14/3. Don't forget that 14/3 is an improper fraction given that the numerator 14 is greater than the denominator 3. But hold on, there is a faster method to rewrite a mixed number as an improper fraction. First, we're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. And then we're going to add the result to the numerator. Are you ready? 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Once again, 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 give us 14. Finally, we keep the denominator, so 3 come over here, please. Once again, the answer is 14 thirds. Our mixed number 4 and 2 thirds is equal to the improper fraction 14 thirds. And that's all for today. Over there you will find more lessons about mixed numbers, and over here more videos. See you next lesson and have a good day. Bye!